Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you how to fix the error that says your account can't be created right now for your Apple ID account on iPhone or iPad. So first you need to check the Apple service status. Make sure to check the Apple support system status. Right now everything's working fine, so the problem must be on our end. Okay, to fix this, let's first go into settings and make sure VPN is turned off. First things first. VPN. See, VPN connected. Everything should look like mine here. Turn it off. Next. If that doesn't help, you need to set the time to automatic. Set the time. Here's date and time. And here we turn on automatic, meaning automatic date and time. Because if your date and time got changed somehow, there'll be a mismatch between the server time and yours in your region. And that can cause this error. If that doesn't help, try going in and checking. There might be an update available. Go to General Settings, then System Update, and check for updates here. As you can see, I'll probably have an update now since the check is taking a while. I'll switch to mobile data, maybe that'll be faster. Anyway, make sure to check if you have any updates. If you do, go ahead and update, give that a try. If that doesn't help, as you can see, I got an update. If this doesn't help, then you can try restarting your phone or create an account on another device and then just log into it on this one. That's all. Thanks for watching.